Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Welcome to this video. In this video, I would like to answer 9 questions about how we produce language from the formulation stage to articulation. This process helps us share our ideas and thoughts through words. And then for the first, let's look at the formulation stage. In this stage, we start to express the ideas we have in our minds. We also decide how to say those ideas. Um, Here, we use syntactical knowledge, which means knowing how to put words together in sentences. And then uh, the relation between the formulation stage and syntactical knowledge. Okay, the formulation stage and syntactical knowledge are connected. To do well in this stage, we need to use our knowledge of how sentences work. This means we must create sentences that show what we really want to say. And then, question number 3, difference among lemma, lexemes, words, and vocabulary. Now, let's understand some important terms. A lemma is the basic form of a word used to share ideas. A lexeme is a specific form of a word that we use in speaking and writing. Words and vocabulary come from lexemes. They are the collection of words we use when we talk. And then, uh, grammatical encoding. After picking a lexeme, our minds arrange words into sentences based on our experiences. For example, if a boy sees a cat eating a fish, he might say the cat eats the fish. In this case, cat is the subject of the sentence. Okay, the next is articulation stage. This is the last step where we turn our ideas into spoken words. Here, phonological knowledge is important. It helps us follow the rules for how to pronounce and structure sentences. And then relation between the articulation stage and phonological knowledge. During the articulation stage, phonological knowledge is very important. It ensures that we use the right tones and rules to say what we mean clearly. And then phonological rules and their characteristics. Now let's talk about phonological rules. These rules guide us on how to organize words and sentences so people can understand us. Phonological rules are something when we learn naturally and use without thinking. They are also different for each language, and then they can change to fit new words. The next is phonological encoding. Means choosing the right words and sounds to express our ideas. For instance, when someone sees a cat, they might describe it using words or sounds that make sense, helping others understand what they mean. And then the process of language production. To sum up, language production has 3 main stages. The first is conceptualization, where we form and organize our ideas. The second is formulation, where we choose the right words and sentences to express these ideas. And the last stage is articulation, where we say the words out loud. And that is all for that is for our discussion on how we produce language. I hope this helps you understand better how we communicate. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.